Need to change your Tesco delivery address? No problem. The Tesco app makes it easy, whether it's before or after checkout. Before checkout, simply add items to your basket, proceed to checkout, and under Delivery Details, select or input your new address. The app validates your address using Royal Mail data. After checkout, go to My Account, then Orders, select your order, and tap Edit Delivery Details. Remember, changes are possible up to a couple of hours before your delivery slot. Let's dive into each scenario in more detail. Let's walk through the exact steps. Before checkout, open the Tesco app and fill your basket. When you proceed to checkout, you will find the Delivery Details section. Here, you can choose an existing address or add a new one. Make sure to provide the correct postcode, and the app will guide you through the rest. After checkout, open the app and go to My Account, then select Orders. Find the order you want to change, and if it is not too close to the delivery, the app will let you tap Edit Delivery Details. If the option is grayed out, it is too late to change the address, and you will need to cancel and reorder. Please note there are limitations and bugs, particularly with address syncing across multiple devices, but Tesco regularly releases patches to address these issues. Tesco introduced AI-driven personalization in app updates from Q3 2024, allowing users to save multiple addresses and auto-suggest based on location data.